Hey YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
Not even looking at YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
This is Matthew, or is that Matthew?
You're Matthew, and I'm Ryan.
You're Matthew Ryan. Okay.
And Albedo.
Okay, so since we're not confused, and this is Matthew Ryan, and this is his dad, Matthew, we have a toy review today.
We have a two-truck motor truck, but I set them on.
Yep,
But
we're-
let's do it.
Yeah, but we got to get YouTube to do the stuff.
Oh.
What kind of stuff do they need to do?
Click this right button and click the bell and ring a bell.
And give us as many likes as you can, and tell your friends about us. And
It's like Taco Bell.
let's just do the review. You're getting hungry.
No, I already ate.
You ready to do the darn thing?
Yeah, that was so funny.
Yeah, it was funny. This is what we're gonna do. Is there's two trucks? Are there two trucks here?
Blue and green. We don't need preparation.
Blue and green?
Yeah. We don't need preparation.
Okay, well, if you're pushing buttons, push another one. Push that one. And I guess that does the same thing over there, right? Okay.
This is what makes a vehicle.
Well, let's take a look at. Ooh, there's lights on this. Did you notice there was lights on this thing? We're getting ahead of ourselves, aren't we? We need to take a look at the box. So, YouTube, this is Kid Connection. What age?
Yeah.
3 and up? Yes,
Yeah.
3 and up. Light and sound. Try me. Push button on the roof.
Yes! How
And
good right off the roof?
well, that's a roof. And it says fast trucks. Kid Connection fast trucks. Same thing there. And what do we have on the bottom?
One barcode
Yep, one barcode
and
and
two barcodes.
another. Dude, there's 2 barcodes and 2 trucks. What are we gonna do about
Yeah,
that?
that main captain has two barcodes.
Yep. Here's something interesting, YouTube. We have a Ford F-150, which is big blue here, right? That is Raptor SVT. But I don't know why they did this, but they put a GM in with it. So you got a GM, General Motors, which is a Silverado by Chevy. Yeah, and it's got the little decal things down here.
Okay, it's open.
It shows Ford and GM.
Okay, it's open.
Yeah, so, oh, we've got the backside, dude. It says Kid Connection. Toys are kid approved, built for fun, easy to understand, no complicated instructions, which you're just pushing buttons. And these durable toys keep you and your children. Are you a children? You're not a children?
I'm a boy.
Okay, you're a boy. Day after day, smile after smile. Let's do the darn thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, YouTube, we went ahead and got these out of the box. One thing of note on this is you do need a really small Phillips head. It comes with this little tab that's on the bottom that kind of keeps it from doing its thing. And there are 2 really small Phillips heads in here, just to let you know. Okay, YouTube, so on the top you've got the buttons, and it does make a variety of noises here. So start the engine, beeping and locking doing the alarm, revving the engine up. You want to see what it does over there? So cool thing about this is we've done a couple of the Kid Connection toys like this, And a lot of times they'll have one that's battery powered and one that's not. Both of these are actually battery powered, and they do a lot of different things, and they're actually friction activated. Builds up a little bit of power, not a lot in the thing, so when you move it forward it'll actually continue for a little bit, depending on how much force you put into it. So, you want to play for a minute, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, well let's play that. Okay, so what'd you think? 2 thumbs up? Is that 2 thumbs up per truck or total? Oh, you're doing your toes, dude.
4.
Okay, four thumbs up. So, good truck set. As always, Kid Connection has good products. The thing that I liked about this, like I said, is they all, make noises and lots of noises, and you got the little assist on the thing, and I think you like them, right?
Yeah, I want to.
So anyhow, YouTube want to thank you for doing the review with us. Oh, I got hugged and kissed. Okay, so what does YouTube need to do?
Click the subscribe button, click the bell.
Okay, click the bell, click the subscribe button, tell people, give us thumbs up, show us all the love, and look forward to our next video. Oh, by the way, if it's nice outside, go out, have fun, and if it's not, do something like this inside.
Yeah.
And make sure he's not pulling stuff off of your arm. And he gets tickled.
And you can play these outside or at your playground.
Yeah, play them outside too. So that's another advantage of these. So we'll see you next time, YouTube.